Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch canvas and a strong desire to do a background before I move on to doing a Dutch pour leafscape. That was supposed to be open, so I'm going to grab a different color. I'm going to take a chance on some copper, a little 24 karat gold with orange in it, maybe a little bit of this, more of this blue. I'm tempted by the Prussian blue because that is something that makes cells. So let's see what we get. The Anita's white metallic I started with is very sheer, as it would be, since it's basically white. I'm not sure I have as much paint on here as I need to, but that doesn't mean I can't add some more. I'm hoping I'm okay with my color choice. It just means that I'm going to have very green leaves. And I got to stop soon or I'm not going to... Well, I'm covered. That's the point. Let's just go from there and hope we can get away with this. Because I'm expecting if I left any of the paint too heavy, then it will move when the blow dryer moves the leaves. So I'm going to throw that in the bucket. I'm going to grab my Meaden black and my Meaden white and do just what I did the other day and start. Wow, okay. I guess I'm not starting anything unless that becomes open rather quickly. Right now, in fact. I've been using this all day. It's really weird that it plugged up. And I need it, so. I'm going to do some black and some white. And I'm going to use some of the Chrysocolla, which is a prism pourer, which is open. I'm going to start slow, and some of my green gold from Folk Art, which is color shifting, and a little bit of Artist Loft Amethyst Metallic. Straight down and then out. Try not to drag it through the canvas. Okay, so more white, less black, more green. Try a different green. This is my emerald green. It looks really like I want something brighter. I'll try some of this golden hour, which is metallic from Arteza. The emerald green was a Decor Americana. That was a lot of white. I want to blow it back. I want to add some more green. I want to turn my blow dryer off. Alright, so I've got a skewer. And I want to not be that frivolous with my paint. I think a straw is a better idea. And I'm just going to put my I really want like almost no white this next time. I want to just use gold. Let's try it. Let's try the gold. Maybe a dot of black. Maybe a dot of what? Something dark. Some mysterious. And a little bit of that yellow too. Good experiments. I want there not to be an alert on my phone right now. I am going to do some kneading and see what happens. Along with a little green. Maybe a dot of white. Well, that's not pretty. I just want to blow that one over again. Should have used purple instead of the black, but it is what it is. And we will proceed. It's almost time to clean up my studio. So far so good, I guess. You know what? I really like how that airbrush did that. Before it's too late, I'm going to do it again. I don't really want to drag all the way down to canvas, but that seems to be what's happening. Okay, so back to the original theory. I want to use purple instead of that black, because the white meading ought to work. That is the emerald green from Decor Americana. That's my green gold. That's my Arteza Golden Hour. Do I want any purple in there? I kind of do. And I'm going to keep trying the blow dryer. relief, but none of that green gold. That's weird. It just completely disappeared. So that makes me want to just go back and keep experimenting. Let's try the Prussian blue. Excuse me, that's the dioxazine purple. I'm not sure which metallic purple that is. It might be an Arteza. And it is heavy paint. It's probably heavier than anybody's Dutch pour should be. Priscilla. I'm just not used to the blow dryer. I seem to have a really hard time turning it off. I'm kind of liking the airbrush is coming in really handy. I see something that does not belong. Oh, I guess it's fine. That might be something. I don't know. Okay, so they're interesting. Are they exactly what I want? I'm not sure. This is the electric blue. I'm probably taking great chances. Put a drop of, no I'm not, I'm going to use the Prussian blue because it's a cell maker. And a little bit of that and hope that's cool. I like the blue in there a lot. That adds something special. It's getting better. Let's just go full broke. Because I can. A little bit of that white. Maybe a little gold. I want some black. I'm kind of used to it now. I guess I like it. I didn't get as much of that purple as I'd like to have. They're all different, but I guess that's that comes from experimenting. Got a skewer under my stuff. I want to just keep working on. I don't know what to replace the white with. That might have been a little more than I was expecting to put on there. I'd like to see some of that purple though. I didn't put any of the meat in black or white. There's some of the maybe. Oh wow, I'm not going to finish. Well, I might. I'm getting close. I think there's a lot more to go though, really. So this is part 1. And it might be and done. Or I could hurry. You know how well that works. Sometimes it works. Some of the chrysocolla. No matter how many times I think it's not going to work out, it seems to work out every time anyway. So I guess whenever this is over, and I should tell you guys thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. And thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And I wonder what I'm going to do with that dot there, because it doesn't look right. Well, you know what? It'll probably be covered by something else. Just going to put all my favorite colors in there. Tell you guys I have a minute left. And I love you. And there's almost 92,000 of you. Please be welcomed. If you're new, please be thanked. If you're not, really appreciate you guys being here. And if you're unsubscribed, please subscribe. There's the electric blue. So I have over 1,800 videos and they're organized. You can ask me questions if you want to. If you look at my link tree, you'll find all my links. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, my website. I don't know, I get in the middle of trying to turn that blow dryer off and it just seems like it's uncooperative every time. Hey, I think I might have made it. I don't think we need any more light leaves. The background's a little thin, but I kind of like it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla, Batzell in Springhill.